Hi everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download GeoMeet application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Open your Play Store to begin. In the search box that appears at the very top, type in GeoMeet and search. You'll be able to see the application at the very top displayed on the screen. Tap on the app to see further information about the application. On the next page, tap on the Install button to begin the downloading process. Wait until the app gets downloaded on your Android device and you'll be able to operate the application once it's completed. GeoMeet is an Indian-free video conferencing application which can be used for one-to-one video calls and hosting meetings with up to 100 participants with enterprise-grade host controls. So after the application gets downloaded and installed on an Android device, you should see an open button popping up. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download GeoMeet application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.